Hello, my name is Jonathan Silvas. I am a civil engineering student at Liberty University. This presentation will be on how starlight has been used in conjunction with other scientific theories to give an age to the universe. All resources and contact information will be available in the last slide of this presentation. For today's presentation, we will cover an introduction to the ongoing debate of how the age of the universe is determined, a summarized explanation of what causes starlight, the secular argument for the age of the universe, the creationist perspective of how the universe was formed, and some ways to present the creationist viewpoints amid skepticism. Humans have always been fascinated by the stars. While the measurement of starlight has contributed to the secular view of the universe that is billions of years old, a creationist worldview offers an alternative interpretation of biblical truth. By re-examining astronomical data through the framework of Scripture, we can challenge the prevailing narrative of an ancient universe and contemplate the profound implications of starlight in our understanding of God's sovereign reign over the cosmos and his involvement in his creation. Starlight careens through the universe at an incredible speed of about 300,000 kilometers per second. The primary catalyst of starlight is the fusion reaction of hydrogen within a star's core. The massive release of energy in this process produces heat and light that emanate in all directions. The light travels through the vastness of space. The light occasionally encounters other matter in space that can be detected and absorbed entirely. As the light travels farther and farther from its source, it dissipates in all directions. This is known as the inverse square law. According to this law, light intensity decreases with the square of the distance from the source. Eventually, the starlight reaches Earth and is observable by astronomers. Using wave theory, they can determine many things about the star, from its composition, temperature, and distance from Earth. This distance calculation is a fundamental principle in the old universe theory. The argument for the old universe theory relies on multiple verification points of observed phenomena. The measured distance of starlight is one argument. It contends that if it takes X amount of years for the light to reach Earth, the universe is at least X years old if we can see it. The next argument is that stars have been seen to exhibit life cycles. If the process of a star dying presumably takes billions of years, observing stars in all different life cycle phases equates to a very old universe. Then there is radiocarbon dating, which relies on the measurement of decaying radiation atoms into daughter atoms. By dating minerals on Earth, the age of the universe can be substantiated. Another theory is how the formation of the universe occurred. Although there are many ideas how this came to be, the most popular and widely accepted is the Big Bang theory. This theory states that a singularity of unknown origin caused rapid and outward expansion of all the material of the universe. Funny thing about theory is that it's not that far dissimilar than faith. For all the perspectives of the secular scientific community, there are equally fact-based reasonings that support the creationist viewpoints as well. One such theory is the application of time dilation theory. Albert Einstein proposed this. It states that time will behave differently in areas of increased gravitation. This could be a plausible explanation for the different life cycles of stars. Another explanation is that the universe was created under different observable conditions than today. Seeing that no one was present when the universe was breathed into existence but God, there is no way to know the exact conditions when created. The use of radiocarbon dating to substantiate the universe's age is absurd. Radiocarbon dating has been plagued with inconsistencies throughout the implementation of this theory. Numerous studies have disproved the reliability of radiocarbon dating as an accurate source of dating materials. Finally, the idea of the Big Bang theory is just as presumptive as admitting that God created the universe from nothing. The entire theory relies on the presumption of an unknown singularity that spawned a complex, beautiful cosmos from nothing. The trick is being able to apply these alternative theories of creation of the universe in a manner that is not overly confrontational, but rather an attempt to educate on an alternative theory that is also fact-based. A good way to start is to restate the theories that is thought to be believed by the secular person. This allows them to see that you are listening to them and considering their perspective. Then propose the alternate theory and provide an explanation that proves that God had a hand in molding the universe. Try to convey that their belief in a theory is not that different than your faith in God as the supreme designer of everything. In conclusion, we have explored what starlight is and how it is believed to determine the age of the universe. Some of the theories that secular scientists have used to determine the age of the universe, some alternative theories that provide explanations for a universe created by God, and some methods for employing your knowledge on the subject to others that do not believe in the creation theory. I encourage you to investigate the scripture and alternative explanations to further broaden your knowledge of how the universe could not have just been an accidental miracle. Thank you for participating in today's presentation. If there are any questions, please feel free to reach out. The references utilized in this presentation are presented here as well. Again, thank you for your participation.